almost didn't make this video, but I figured if I could help somebody else prevent this from happening to them, we should probably share it. So it all comes down to making my corner tree over from our beautiful spring look to this fun kind of wintry evergreen look that's very magical. This is what it looked like earlier in the year when I made this tree originally. It sits behind my TV, and I don't know if you can tell, but outside the window are beautiful evergreen trees. So I wanted to recreate that for my winter look. I went ahead, stripped all the florals off, the greenery, and left my beautiful warm white lighting that I loved. And I thought, you know what? This year, that Norfolk pine garlands and greenery are super popular. They're viral. Everybody has them in stock. So I got this extra full garland originally from Decorator's Warehouse, and I thought we need to cover the edges with that. And then I thought, well, we need some lanterns. So of course I got these beautiful lanterns from David Christopher, and I used some of the fairy lights in there. I added probably upwards of 20 to 30 of the Norfolk pine greenery branches in, and you could see we got it to look really like fluffy and beautiful, and I think it looks really nice with, especially with the real tree outside. Now you're probably looking at this going, oh well, Alessandra, I don't know what's going on, like what's wrong with this? Well, here's the thing. I think because of the real touch nature or something with these greenery pieces, this Norfolk, I mean I'm not saying it's from any one person because I got them from Decorator's Warehouse, I got them from Kirkland's, you know, a bunch of people are carrying them. They smelled terrible, and I'm talking like nauseatingly gross. I ended up having to open up the windows during the day for several days in a row just to get the smell out. It was that crazy. I don't know what it is, but it was terrible. To prevent this, I think the best thing to do in the future is if you're going to use these, order them ahead of time, take them out of their plastic, maybe let them air out in the garage, or if you have a, you know, covered porch or something they could sit on to air out. I think that would probably be the best thing, but in the end they turned out beautiful and I love this, but oh man, did they smell terrible. Well, that's it for this quick update from me. This will be my final Christmas design for 2024. Can't wait to be decorating with you all in 2025. Wishing you a happy holiday season. All right, friends. Well, I'm Alessandra. Thanks for hanging out with me today.